Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to share with you how to create a free QR code. So QR codes are found everywhere, from business cards to restaurant menus, but they became popular during the pandemic because they are fast and contactless. You can redirect people to a product page, you can receive or make payments, and much more by simply scanning a QR code rather than searching on internet. So I want to start on my laptop and I'm going to qr-code-generator.com. I'll add this link down in the description so you can get to this page faster. So this is where we create our QR code. As you can see, there are a bunch of options over here. This one opens a URL after scanning. This one is a virtual business card. This one displays a simple text. This one sends an email. This one connects to Wi-Fi. This one opens a PDF like a restaurant menu. But today we're going to focus on the URL. So basically it generates a QR code that opens your website after someone scans this QR code with their camera. So we are going to click on the URL. Now you need to enter your website or any other destination. So for the purpose of this video, I'm going to enter my YouTube channel, which is youtube.com Ali Rastegari. So as you can see on the right side, we have an automatically generated QR code that we can use. Now down here, you notice a few features we can use to customize our QR code. For example, we can add a frame, shape, color, and we can also add our logo. So under frame, what we can do is to select any of these options. For example, this one is a frame with scan me text, and we have a few other frames, but if you want to be able to use the rest of them, you need to sign up and create an account. Next, we have shape and color. Here again, we can select any of these options to change the shape of our QR code. We can also change the color. For example, if you have a black background on a menu or business card, you want to make sure to use a white color here. Finally, we have the logo. We have the option to upload our own logo or simply select scan me logos. I personally use the scan me because if someone is not quite sure what to do or how to use them, this logo might be helpful. Alright, now before we go ahead and download our new QR code, there is another point we want to cover. Down here we have vector, which has a higher quality compared to JPEG. So for example, if you want to print on a business card or a poster, this is the high quality version you're looking for. We can also sign up and track our scans if we want. So let's go ahead and download this QR code. So if a visitor scans this QR code, that's going to take them to my YouTube channel or the link we entered before. Now I want to show you how to use this QR code on print material like a business card. So what we are going to do is to go to canva.com, which is another great free tool that is perfect for basically any kind of design you're looking for. So we are going to click on create a new design. At the top right corner, we are going to search for business cards and let's click on the first one. So on the left side, there are hundreds of free templates. You can simply click on any of them and start editing. Let's say we are going to click on this one. We can simply click on any part of it and start editing. If you want to add our QR code, we can go to uploads on the left side and upload our new QR code and just click on it and adjust the size on our business card. Finally, you can go to share on the top right corner and download a PDF print, which is the best version with the highest quality for printing. So if you have any questions, make sure to comment below. Make sure to like and subscribe if you haven't already. Make sure to watch one of these videos next because you don't want to miss them. As always, thanks for watching and see you in the next video. Cheers!